Hello students, I hope that you have prepared for your examination and all the MCQ type of questions you have tried to solve. So from the chapter Human Health and Welfare, some of the questions I have jotted down to help you in order to understand some of the terms or in order to memorize the terms in this chapter. So first question in this is large vessels used for growing microbes at an industrial scale. So what they are called? They are called as fermenter. Second question is medicine used to induce uterine contraction for abortion, menstrual disorder, and to check hemorrhage and its source. So what the medicine is called? Medicine is ergot and source is Claviceps purpurea, which is a fungus. So name of the fungus is also given, name of the medicine is also given. Next question is medicine used for the treatment of asthma and nasal troubles and its sources. Name of the medicine is ephedrine and from benzaldehyde it is prepared. Microbes utilized for this is active. It is prepared by the activity of yeast on the benzaldehyde and the medicine prepared is ephedrine. Now the next question. An immunosuppressive agent in organ transplant used for the patients, that is cyclosporin. Cyclosporin source of this medicine is a fungus. The name of the fungus is Trichoderma polysporum. Next question, blood cholesterol lowering agent acts by competitive inhibition of synthesis of cholesterol. They inhibit the synthesis of cholesterol by competitive inhibition technique, and the name of this medicine is statin. Source is Monascus purpureus, which is again a yeast. Next is source of gluconic acid is two fungus, Aspergillus and Penicillia. Source of itaconic acid, Aspergillus itaconicus and A. tertius. These two are the species of Aspergillus. Source of acetic acid. Source of acetic acid is Acetobacter, which is a bacteria. Next, source of citric acid is Aspergillus niger. Source of butyric acid, it is Clostridium butylicum. Source of lactic acid is the lactobacillus. As you all know that lactobacillus is used for converting milk to curd. Next is enzymes. Enzyme used in preparation of sizing agents in textile and paper industry. Enzyme which is used for bread production. Enzyme which is used as chocolate and corn syrups. Removal of spots in laundry. So for any question regarding all the four functions given here, the answer would be the one only, that is amylases. Salivary amylase, you have heard about salivary amylase. So amylases are the enzymes used for preparation of sizing agents in textile and paper industry, bread production, chocolate and corn syrups, removal of spots in laundry. Next is enzymes used in clarification of fruit juices. This is fungal pectinases and proteases. For the removal of oxygen from soft drinks, salad dressings, the enzyme used is glucose oxidase. Next, enzyme used in detergent formulation and removal of oily stains from laundry. These enzymes are lipases. Bacterium used as a clot buster for removing clots from the blood vessels of the patients. Especially those patients who suffer from heart attack or myocardial infarction. The name of the enzyme is streptokinase, produced by bacterium Streptococcus, and these streptococcus are modified by genetic engineering. So the name of the enzyme is streptokinase, which is produced by bacterium Streptococcus. Now a quick revision of what we have discussed till now. Large vessels used for growing microbes at industrial scale, fermenter. Medicine used for uterine contraction, uh, in menstrual disorders and check hemorrhage, that is ergot. Source is claviceps purpurea, and which is a fungus. Medicine used for asthma and respiratory disorders is ephedrine, which is the source is benzaldehyde by the action of yeast. Immunosuppressive agent in organ transplant, this is cyclosporin. Source is Trichoderma fungus. Blood lowering of blood cholesterol level. Name of the medicine is statin. Source is Monascus purpurea. Source of gluconic acid is Aspergillus and Penicillia. Source of itaconic acid is Aspergillus itaconicus and A. terreus. Source of acetic acid is Bacter. Source of citric acid is Aspergillus niger. Source of butyric acid is Clostridium butylicum. Source of lactic acid is Lactobacillus. Enzyme which is used for preparation of sizing agent in textile and paper industry, bread production, chocolate and corn syrup, removal of spots in laundry. These all functions are done by amylases. Next is enzymes used in clarification of fruit juices. These are fungus, that is pectinases and proteases. Removal of oxygen from soft drinks, salad dressings. This is done by glucose oxidase. This is an enzyme. Now the enzyme used for detergent formulation and removal of oily stains from laundry. These are lipases. Bacterium used as a clot buster for removing clots from the blood vessels of the patients. The name of the enzyme is streptokinase, produced by bacterium Streptococcus. Now next question. Microbe used for commercial production of ethanol. This is Saccharomyces cerevisiae, which is a yeast. This same microbe is used for the production of beverages, Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Now the next question is related to the sewage treatment plant. What are the two stages of sewage treatment? Primary and secondary treatment. Steps of primary treatment are: first step of primary treatment is sequential filtration, in which floating debris is removed. First step is removal of floating debris, and the process is termed as sequential filtration. After that, the soil and small pebbles are allowed to settle down this as a sediment, and the process of removal of the sediment is sedimentation. Next is solids that settle from the primary effluent. These are sludge, primary sludge. Solids that settle from the primary solids that settle form the primary sludge. Actually, it is what they form. So they form the primary sludge. Next is supernatant in the primary treatment is called. Supernatant is always called as effluent. Now with the help of diagram, I have tried to explain this one. So you can see in a tank, the sewage is allowed to settle down, and the substance which settles down as a sediment is termed as a sludge, and the floating liquid is the effluent. Now the next step is steps of secondary treatment. Steps of secondary treatment is: first, the effluent is mechanically agitated and pumping of air is done, which and the effluent is transferred to aeration tanks, where there is vigorous growth of useful microbes, and then the bacterial flocks are allowed to sediment. Next question is: useful microbes that grow vigorously in aeration tanks are called. These are called flocks. These are actually the masses of bacteria and fungal mycelium that grow on the effluent, but the common term for these effluents are flocks. Next is BOD. What BOD is what BOD is actually? BOD is a measure of organic matter present in the water. Next question is, what would be the effect of BOD? Greater the BOD of wastewater, more is its polluting potential. So more BOD means more polluting potential. Next question, after significant reduction of BOD, the effluent is then passed into a settling tank where bacterial flocks are allowed to sediment. Now these sediments are called as activated sludge. Always the sediment is sludge. Here, since they are grown in the aeration tanks or they are activated, so these are activated sludge. Next is, what happens in anaerobic sludge digestion. During digestion, following gases are released: methane, which is CH4, H2S and CO2. These are passed, and the combination of these three gases are the biogas. So composition may be asked. Composition of biogas is methane, hydrogen sulfate, carbon dioxide. Next question, bacterium responsible for generation of biogas. This is methanobacterium, which is methanogen. Now a quick revision of what we have discussed till now. That is from 17th question. Microbe used for commercial production of ethanol, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, yeast. Microbe used for production of beverages, Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Two stages of sewage treatment, primary and secondary treatment. Steps for primary treatment are sequential filtration and sedimentation. In sequential filtration, floating debris are removed, while in sedimentation, grit and soil particles are removed. Solids that that are in the settled form are termed as primary sludge. Supernatant in the primary treatment is called effluent. Steps for secondary treatment is, the effluent is allowed to enter into a aeration tank where it is agitated and pumped off. Air is pumped into the effluent and aeration tank, which results in vigorous growth of useful aerobic microbes, and they settle down as floc. Now the question number 31. I think these 50 questions are sufficient for your complete revision of this chapter. So where we can find methanogens? In the rumen of the cattle. Methanogens are the bacteria which are found in the rumen of cattle. Now next, microbe responsible for biophotolysis. Photolysis is breakdown of substances in the presence of light. So which substance? It is algae. Algae is having the capability of producing hydrogen from water in sunlight. So photolysis is breakdown of water in sunlight in the presence of algae. Now next question, enzyme catalyzing biophotolysis. Enzyme which catalyzes this process is enzyme hydrogenase. Next, insect which act as a biocontrol agent to get rid of aphids and mosquitoes. Insects are ladybird and dragonflies. Bacteria which is used as a potential insecticide against insect pest of plants as well as against the mosquito larva is Bacillus thuringiensis. Bacillus thuringiensis. Next is bacteria causing crown ball disease of stone fruits. This is Agrobacterium tumefaciens, and these are destroyed by using again a bacteria to destroy a bacteria. So this tumefaciens are destroyed by Agrobacterium radiobacter. Next is Pythium species of a fungus which causes damping off of cotton. This can be controlled by again a bacteria. This fungus can be controlled by a bacteria, and this bacteria is Bacterium pseudomonas. Next question, free living fungi which is an effective biocontrol agent. The name of this free living fungi is Trichoderma, which is a biocontrol agent, means it kills another harmful microbe. Next, virus which is used as a biocontrol agent for insects and other arthropods. This is baculovirus And the main name of this baculovirus is nucleopolyhedrovirus. Nucleopolyhedrovirus, which is a biocontrol agent for insects and arthropods. Bacteria present in root nodules of leguminous plants for nitrogen fixation is Rhizobium. Organism used as biofertilizers: Rhizobium, as Azospirillum, Azotobacter, Mycorrhiza, Cyanobacteria. So these are the names of all the microbes which are used as biofertilizers. But the one which is present in the root nodule is the Rhizobium. Root nodules of leguminous plants are red in color. When we cut the root nodule, it is red in color. Not red, it is pinkish in color. So that color is because of a pigment. That pigment is leg hemoglobin. And the association of Rhizobium with the root nodules is symbiotic association. Next question, 44. What bacteria gets in return of nitrogen fixation? Since we have said that it is a symbiotic association, so what it gets? It is giving nitrogen to the plant, but what it gets in return? It gets carbohydrate from the root nodules. The bacteria gets the carbohydrates. Next 45 number question. What kind of association do Azospirillum is having with root nodules of cereal crops? Rhizobium is in leguminous plants. Azospirillum is in cereal crops like rice, sorghum. So they are having loose association with cereal crops like rice and sorghum. 46th question. Important biofertilizer in paddy fields: Cyanobacterium, autotrophic microbes. Symbiotic relationship between fungal hyphae and roots of higher plant is called, this symbiotic relation is mycorrhiza with higher plants. Fungal hyphae and higher plants. Full form of IPM is integrated pest management. Integration of what it is integrated about: integration of desirable and beneficial insects for the pest management or pest control. So next last question, microorganism in which when applied to seed, plant surfaces, soil are called biofertilizer. Now a quick revision of question number 31 to 50, where we can find methanogens in the rumen of cattle. Microbes responsible for biophotolysis: algae, as they can produce hydrogen from water in sunlight. Enzyme which catalyzes biophotolysis is enzyme hydrogenase. Insect which act as a biocontrol agent to get rid of aphids and mosquitoes. These insects are ladybird and dragonflies. Bacteria which is used as a potential insecticide agent against insect pests of plant and even the mosquito larva. Bacillus thuringiensis. Bacteria causing crown gall disease of stone fruits: Agrobacterium tumefaciens. Agrobacterium tumefaciens are controlled by Agrobacterium radiobacter. Pythium species of fungus are controlled by Bacterium pseudomonas. Free living fungi which is an effective biocontrol agent is Trichoderma. Virus which is used as biological control agent for insects and other arthropods: Baculovirus, Nucleopolyhedrovirus. Organism used as biofertilizers: Rhizobium, Azospirillum, Azotobacter, Mycorrhiza, Cyanobacterium. Bacteria present in root nodules of leguminous plants for nitrogen fixation: Rhizobium. Red colored pigment present in root nodules of leguminous plants, leg hemoglobin. What bacteria gets in return of nitrogen fixation? Carbohydrate. What kind of association do Azospirillum shows with root nodules of cereal crops? Loose association. Important biofertilizers in paddy fields: Cyanobacterium, which is an autotrophic. Symbiotic relationship between fungal hyphae and roots of higher plants: Mycorrhiza. Full form of IPM: integrated pest management. Integration of desirable and beneficial insects in pest management is called IPM. Microorganisms which when applied to seed, plant surfaces, soil are called biofertilizer.